Today I'm going to show you a new way to query Cydarm's case management for SOC. It's one thing to record information into case management, but what if we wanted to ask questions of all of the data that we can see? Large language models allow us to ask questions of data sources, but to do this you need an intermediation layer, and you can use one called an MCP server. This is a technology invented by Anthropic, and it's basically at its core a protocol. So what you have is your Claude desktop, for example, is an MCP client. It communicates with an MCP server, which is then connected to the data source. Now in this case, we've created an MCP server for Cydarm, which will connect to your Cydarm API using credentials that are hidden from the large language model, so that you can safely query your Cydarm instance via an LLM. Let me show you how it works. So here I've got Claude as an example of a large language model, and we've got here this Cydarm tool, and it's got a number of different operations that it supports. We can list cases, get details, get data, get sticks information from cases, and so forth. So what I'm going to do here is say, display a summary of cases from the last 7 days in a table that I can paste into an email, highlighting any areas of interest. Okay, so when I submit that, you can see the LLM starts to put together queries to run against the API. And so here it is, it's making a request against the cases. Now it's got the 7-day summary, and here we are, it's actually creating that table that we requested. And some notes below that with some free-form text explaining what's going on, and even a recommendation here right at the bottom. So this is a new way to query Cydarm, and we hope you like it. Stay hydrated.